Speaking of tourism, there is one hotel who has been making plenty of guests happy and satisfied. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts garnered 3 TripAdvisor awards. For the year 2015, they are making a great name for themselves on the largest travel website. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts has been named the #1 hotel in the Caribbean for guest satisfaction by TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice for 2015. Additionally, Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts is on the top 5, coming in at #4 as one of the hotels in the region with the best service. And just in time for Valentine's Day, Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts claimed the #20th spot for one of the most romantic hotels in the world. A big congratulations goes out to Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts management team as well as associates. It's good to see a boutique resort on the island striving for excellence and exceeding expectations.